Hello, everybody. Thank you for joining. I know it probably won't be this evening because it's Christmas Eve and I'm sure you're all very, very busy. But I just wanted to come on and say Merry Christmas. This is my last design team project for Lydia at RaindropLila for the year. And I would like to say thank you, Lydia, from the bottom of my heart for the last year and a half of being part of your design team. And to the rest of my design team, I just can't even believe I'm part of, a team such as you. You're all so amazingly creative, and you've been a great inspiration and wonderful friends, and I really appreciate you. And same with you, Lydia. Your digitals have been beautiful, and they've been so wonderful to work with. I am honored and blessed. To all of my followers, new, old, or if you're just coming on for the first time, a very merry, blessed Christmas and a very abundance of blessings in the new year. I wasn't able to finish my journal, unfortunately, for Christmas, but I'll be working on it. But I did want to come on and show you one very special page. It's actually the most important page of my journal, and it was the first page I made, actually, after I put my pages together, and then, of course, I added more pages yesterday. To anybody out there who has ever done a 5-pamphlet stitch, 2-signature, hidden spine, in a fabric journal, I have so much respect for you. By the time I got done doing that for this journal, I was literally shaking and had to lay down after it got finished. But it came out beautiful. I praised God for it because I was a wreck. Anyway, it did. It worked, and I'm very happy. And I'm glad I didn't do it on video because, oh my goodness, it took a long time. About an hour and a half. From start to finish because I was just so nervous and my hands were shaking. I also wanted to start off by saying, if you've been following me, my dear friend of 50 years did have her surgery this morning, and it took 7 hours. She made it through. She's in intensive care. She'll be there probably for 3 or 4 days. But what a wonderful Christmas gift. And I praise God. And if you could just keep her in your prayers, that she does do well and continues to heal and recover from this. It's been a long week. This all started with a heart attack last Wednesday. And it's been very trying, especially being so far away. She's in Massachusetts at Mass General Hospital, and I'm in Florida. So I did make a topper last night, and it's like a faux vellum, envelope. But I did, instead of putting acetate here, I put the Swiss darted tool, and then I collaged around it, and then I backed it, and inside I put this tag because it kind of reminded me of, an invitation to the Christmas ball. And that's just backed with the same paper. And then here it says the Christmas ball, which was part of the page that I sized way down to a wallet size, and then trimmed out this and placed it here on some tulle. But that's not what was important. So I haven't finished it, so it won't be a walkthrough. But I did want to share this page because it's my favorite page and my most important page of the whole journal. I made this, and I did do a video on creating the back part of it, but I can't find it, so I'll just show you. So this was this tree is on this paper. It's digitized on this, and I found it in my files, and I cut it out to fit. And then, just this part, rounded the corners. And then Lydia has some fussy cut bows, so I stacked those and put them on. And then I cut these out of some page where they were on another Christmas tree. And these were underneath this tree, not this tree, but like a big green tree. And so I cut the packages out from underneath it and fussy cut them and put them on little foam dots to give them some dimension. And then you open it up, and here was an envelope of Lydia's, a coin envelope. But what I did was I printed it on vellum. And take this out. It says, "For unto us a child is born, unto us a son is given, and the government shall be upon his shoulders, and his name shall be called Wonderful Counselor, the Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace." And that's Isaiah, and it says Merry Christmas here, and it's just printed on some vellum. And this lace here is some very antique lace, but it reminded me of a poinsettia, so that's why that's there. And then inside this is a little package, and it's a glassine envelope that I cut down, and then I collaged it with some tissue paper from an order I had gotten from Raindrop Lila. And this is also some beautiful Christmas garland that I also got in an order from that I placed with Angela Carr. So I collaged the glassine envelope after I cut it down so that it would fit in the pocket. And then inside the pocket are some journaling cards that Lydia has, and I'll put the name of the collection in the link below. And the story here, it's just a little booklet, and I put it on very antique rag paper from a book from Italy. It's in Latin. I have no idea what it says, but it doesn't matter. I like it. So here's Gabriel visiting Mary, telling her that she will have a son. And then there they are in the stable after Jesus was born. And here are the wise men that were waiting outside, coming in to visit and meet Jesus for the first time. And here are the wise men following the star. And here's everybody visiting Jesus, Mary and Joseph, after the birth. And that's the end of the little book. So that's the most important part of the story, because after all, our most precious and most important gift is the birth of Christ. So I hope you enjoyed that part of my little walkthrough of my journal. And I will do a walkthrough when I'm completed with it. It will probably be after Christmas, obviously, because that's tomorrow. But until the next video, I hope you all stay well and be kind. Have a wonderful, blessed, Merry Christmas and an amazing abundance of joy, health, and happiness in the new year to come. Until next time, everybody, be well, be safe, and God bless. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.